What's up, Moto Buddies? Mike here, Moto Co, Baja Taco Tours, taking a look at the Ultimate Overland Expo motorcycle. This is a build that we helped coordinate with Eva. She is one of the jefes here at the Overland Expo. This is Overland Expo 2022, and we're just here in the quad. This is the Moto zone right here, so this is the Moto Village. And then out here you have all the Overland guys, the Jeeps and rigs and Tacomas and all the super big heavy duty trucks, sprinter vans, super badass. In the Moto Village, this is where all the bikes are, and there's specialized bicycles are there too, so some of the non-moto but two-wheeled guys are out there too. So this is a Tenere. This is a 2022 Yamaha Tenere 700. Here it is. Some of the cool features and setup arrangements on this bike worked out with Eva. We were involved in the wrap kit, so we did the graphics and sticker wrap. Eva provided us with a base design that she was shooting for. She wanted topo. I think this topo is something here in Arizona, maybe out by where she has her hotel, the John Quill Hotel out in Bisbee, Arizona. And so maybe this is a local map to her, but we changed the colors. We also coordinated the color to the bags, the Moscow bag. That's their colorway with the green, the two-tone green and black. And so we integrated those same colors. We tried to tie in the orange as well, and the little grommet buttons in there too. And so we're launching our graphic wrap program, and we're going to be doing wrap graphic kits for all the KTMs. I think the Tenere as a model will do, and we have others in the pipeline that we're going to be hitting up. So you know, you can just kind of walk through. If you have a Tenere and know what a Tenere is, you can see some of the aftermarket goodies on here, Ruby lights, and then they've got the crash bars here by Outback Moto Work, or Moto Trek rather. There's their sticker, obviously Moscow on all the bags all around, and the Tenere system. And these are the quick release type. Here you can just grab the little release bar here and then pull these soft bags up. They're a hard bag alternative and do a better job. Zoleo, got the cool little personal locator beacon there. Dave Winters came and put an Alice throttle lock on this little baby. Throttle control, cruise control. Ruby Lights has this. This is your dimmer for the auxiliary lights up front. Very, very trick suspension. I met these guys and talked to them. Track active. So this is completely redone internals, front and rear on this bike. Here is the reservoir body. Let's go on the other side. Very, very cool, very trick. Apparently this is like a must-do upgrade if you're going to do some serious off-roading on the Tenere. We're looking seriously at getting a Tenere ourselves into the shop and then launching into a program of upfitting and improving these bikes. Tidy tail right there, Bridgestone tires. I was just looking at the sign here to see if I'm missing anything. So this is not in our wheelhouse right now. We do not specialize in the Tenere. It's not a bike that we focus on. However, it's a market that there's a lot of demand for, and we're getting asked about tuning products. So we're gonna look at doing power commander setup with some exhaust options, putting together power packages for this bike, as well as graphics. And like I said, we now are doing in-house graphics. We do it all ourselves. We do the design, the printing, cutting, laminating, shipping. We don't outsource it. We do it. We're going to be doing it in-house. So you'll see more videos about that. So that's a quick overview of the Tenere, the Ultimate Overland motorcycle build. We're very grateful and happy that we were included and to be a part of it. Thank you, Eva, and the Overland Expo Foundation for getting us involved. And if you've never been to the Overland Expo, this is a major deal. This is one of the big events on the overlanding calendar. Let's give you a quick walk here. Take a look at some of these rigs. This is a big Dodge Ram truck. I mean, these things are high money. They're high function, high feature. I've been overwhelmed and blown away by this stuff. You know, we go down the rabbit hole of moto builds and we set up with all the trick stuff. And then if you're into these 4x, these are really trick machines for all kinds of long-term life-sustaining sort of overland adventuring. So I think you owe it to yourself to come to Overland Expo. Next year we'll be here. We set up a booth. Let's walk over there. Let's do a little field trip here. So our first year of doing a booth at this event. Right now Power Sports is here. We know these guys. They've got a couple of shops in Arizona. Josh is our buddy. He runs that operation right there. They've got a lot of gear. They're a good Honda dealer in Arizona. Moscow, there's JC doing the thing. Got all their bikes. And then coming down here into Moto Co, you've got Ruby Slinging Lights. Here's their Norden. This is the Baja bike that we took down not too long ago. Here's our sticker when we do the Moscow trip. And Killian rode this bike. If you're not following him already, do it. Rad content. And we're just getting it's early right now. The show isn't officially open yet. There's Gunther. We're getting ourselves set up. This is kind of our show bike. This is my personal bike. And this is the one that I've done quite a few Baja trips on, and just continue to set up and improve that thing. I need to do a standalone video of it in its current form. Right now we're rocking the Babes in the Dirt graphics set. We did this to commemorate the Babes in the Dirt 7 that we just participated in. And then this is the 21 Honda CRF 450 RL. And we're doing kind of a throwback look on this. This essentially, we're turning this into like a 93 XR 650 Baja edition. When they feature those with the gold rims and the blue seat and the round headlight. This bike is super rad. I'm super stoked at how it turned out. And we have graphic kits that we'll be putting out. That's kind of our Gen 1 XR throwback HRC graphics kit. We'll be offering a ton more stuff. So that's it. Moto Co. It goes on. There's more other Cyclops down there. Daryl bought skiing. That's kind of cool. I think we're gonna be talking a little more about Cyclops and what they're up to these days. There's some other stuff down there. Come see us next year. That's it. Moto Co. 2022 Overland Expo. Go out and get some adventure.